This is Sean from Be Your Own Nerd. I went to a new client the other day when I was working on his computer, and I asked him, how are you backing up your files? And he said, I'm not backing them up. You always want to back up your files. There's nothing worse than data loss. And I'm going to show you a real simple solution. This isn't ideally the best solution, but at least it's something. The best solution is a 3-2-1 backup, which I will cover in a future video. But for now, if you're not backing up your files, this is the cheapest and easiest way to do so. This is a flash drive, also known as a thumb drive. And this is a USB-A connector on the flash drive. This will plug into the USB port on your computer. If you have a newer Mac or if you have a newer laptop, it may only have USB-C ports. USB-C port is the one with the smaller connector. You're going to need a special adapter for that. I'm going to put links to everything in the description below. You're going to take that and you're just going to plug it in like that, and that will convert the USB-A to a USB-C. Do not buy these from Amazon. I would buy them at Walmart, Target, or Best Buy. Do not buy them from Amazon. And the reason being is the real ones at Amazon are stored in a bin, and then the fake Chinese knockoffs that look exactly the same, even down to the UPC barcode on the box, that come in from China, they also put those in the same bin. And those are counterfeits. So you don't know when you order from Amazon if you're getting a real one or a counterfeit one. So you want to get it from a reputable dealer such as Target, Best Buy, Walmart, or if you want to do it online, I would get it from B&H Video. I'm going to do 2 demos in this video. The first one will be for Mac, and the next one will be for PC. So you can see on my desktop here, I have a bunch of files that I want to copy to my flash/thumb drive. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to plug it in now. And you can see here now my thumb drive is plugged in. And all I'm going to do, it's real simple. I just want to take these files and I want to put them on this drive. I am going to left click with my mouse and drag. So that way I am highlighting the files. And then once they are highlighted, I'm going to let go of the left mouse button. And then I'm going to hover over a file. I'm going to left click and hold. And then while I'm left clicking and holding, I'm going to drag my mouse. And remember, the key is to continue holding. I'm going to put it on top of the thumb drive and I'm going to drop it. And when you hear that sound on a Mac, that means the files have been copied. And you can also just double click on your thumb drive and you can verify that the files are there. Real simple to do. And now I'm going to show you how to do it on Windows. And now I'm going to show you how to do this on Windows. What you're going to want to do is plug in your flash drive to your Windows PC or laptop. And there's 2 different ways to do this. You can hit the Windows Explorer icon down here at the bottom. You want to make sure you're on this PC, and you can scroll down and look for your flash drive. Another way to do it is hit Windows key E. And by doing so, this will also open up a Windows Explorer window. Same thing, look for this PC because sometimes this may not be already on this PC depending on how your Windows is configured. So you want to click on this PC, locate your flash drive. Now the tricky part is you're going to want to move the window out of the way because you can kind of see here the window is blocking the files that I want to copy back up to the flash drive. So I'm just going to kind of put it right here. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to left click, and this one's going to be a little bit trickier because the recycle bin's in the way. So instead of getting too technical about holding down shift or anything else, I'm just going to take the recycle bin. I'm going to left click and I'm just going to move it temporarily out of the way for now. So now what you're going to want to do is take your mouse, left click, hold down the left mouse button, drag. It's going to highlight the files, let go of the left mouse button, left click again, and drag to the flash drive and release the mouse button. And then double click the flash drive and you can see the files are now there. And that's how you do it on Windows. And like I said, that's just a real simple way of doing it. There's more complex automatic ways to do it to make sure you get redundant backups. But if you're not backing up your files or your data, that's the quickest and easiest way just to make sure you have a backup. And another thing is always keep your thumb drive, your flash drive locked up in a safe place because once you copy those files to it, if it gets stolen or you lose it, somebody else is going to have access to your files. So be very protective over that flash drive and thumb drive. If you have a safe, lock it up in there. If you have a safety deposit box at the bank, put it in there. But be very protective over your data while it's on that thumb drive because anybody can get it and anybody will be able to open your files because those are not encrypted. Those are just one-to-one identical copies of your file. So like I previously said, in a future video, I will do a more advanced backup strategy where you can encrypt your files. So that way, if someone does get a hold of your data, they can't open it because they won't have the encryption password. But in the meantime, I wanted to do this quick video just to show you a quick and easy way to back up your data before disaster strikes. Once again, this is Sean from Be Your Own Nerd. You can reach out to me on my website at BeYourOwnNerd.com. I also have a free weekly tech newsletter that I send out every Tuesday morning on my website. It's totally free. Thank you so much for watching, and have yourself a great tech day.